Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
This is the Phoenix Police Department! Who's ever inside apartment 146? Come out with your hands up! Give commands. I can't see him from here. Hands up! Hands up! All right, hey, you guys take the female, we'll take the male. This is the Phoenix Police Department. Who's ever inside apartment 146, come out with your hands up.
While one team was in front of the apartment, another to the rear broke a window to get a better view inside, but did not see anyone. About an hour after first arriving on scene, the officers made the decision to enter the apartment, led by Police K-9 Dennis.
You guys want, I'll push up past you, just let him work this front room, see if we get anything, and then we'll just take it slow. You guys good with that? I'm gonna cross you guys. Phoenix Police, anybody inside, come out now, you're gonna get bit by a police dog. Go to work.
The officers continued to identify themselves as Phoenix police officers as they prepared to enter the apartment, looking for anyone still inside. Dennis entered the home first, searching the living room and kitchen. Officers then entered the apartment, and the K-9 moves farther back towards the bedrooms. That's when Jackson began shooting, hitting Dennis.
So we'll push up to there. That way I can get him to these other rooms. Cool? Yeah. So who's lethal? Who wants to cover lethal? Yeah. Good. Oh, good.
No officers fired any shots inside of the apartment. As Dennis and his handler rushed to the vet, the other officers exited the apartment with one team set up to the south and one to the west. Both teams of officers had a clear view of the front door. Less than a minute after shooting the K-9, Jackson exited the apartment armed with a handgun, yelled something, and advanced towards the officers. Jackson and 5 officers fired their weapons. Jackson was struck by gunfire and fell to the ground. Here's a slowed down version of the shooting from another officer's body-worn camera.
Clear right. Clear right.
Let's see.
Pull up, 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 pull up. On you. All the way out, all the way out, all the way out. Back up, back up. Are we okay? Yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Hey, rifle, come back, take rifle. Hey, back to the corner. Back. Good. That's 6-2, John. We need fire here. We got a shot fire to the side. Are you hit? Hey, get him out. Are you good, Sylvia? I'm good. Yeah.
Were you hit?
Possibly. It might be a tear. It might be a tear.
Yeah, just a
Yeah, you're good.
Just a tear.
You good?
I'm good, boss. It's just a tear. It's just a tear. A tear on the door. It's fine. Hold.
Shots fired.
What's that? It's just a tear.
You okay?
Tear on the door. Hold.
He's down.
Shots fired.
He's down.